Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can animate images using Canva. Let's go on and do it. You can go to text and pick whatever font or text size that you want. Let's go with this. Now, let me just change the text. As you can see, this image that we have here, let me make it a bit bigger. It doesn't really matter actually that I'm making it bigger if it's small or big. So now that we have our image, what you need to do, just click on the image and click on where it says animate. Now you've got all these options, all these possibilities from which you can choose what kind of animation that you want. For instance, let us go on and choose that one. You see what happens? Let us try something else. You saw that? Let's try it again, this one. Now, if you want to play it, you can go to where it says 5 seconds and click on it. You see? Let's play it again. So from there, you have the ability to choose what kind of animation that you like. Now, when you are satisfied with your work, you can go to where it says share, that is if you want to download it, and click on download. Now, before you download, make sure that you have this as MP4 video. That's how you can animate images using Canva. I hope this has been helpful. Please, may I ask you to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and bye.